Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this wonderful hairspray for massive hair growth. Please watch, comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For this hairspray, the first ingredient I'll be using is clove. Clove promotes hair growth and reduces hair fall. It helps to solve the problem of hair thinning. It helps keep scalp fresh and reduces scalp infection such as dandruff. It also provides a cooling sensation. The eugenol found in clove helps promote hair growth when applied to the roots of the hair. It also helps to strengthen your hair and keep your scalp healthy. I made use of a spoon of clove. Coriander can help prevent hair loss by invigorating the roots of the hair follicles. A regular massage of coriander helps in hair regrowth. Coriander makes your hair voluminous and thicker. It contains vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, which are very vital for healthy hair. I made use of a spoon of my coriander. I also made use of a pot and a cup of water. I poured the cup of water into my pot. Then I poured in my coriander and clove. I allowed it to boil for 10 minutes before taking it off the stove. I got a bowl and a sieve and I strained out the water. I also made use of my grapeseed essential oil. Grapeseed oil is used as a natural remedy for baldness. The linolenic acid found in grapeseed helps to stimulate hair growth, and the oil also contains flavonoids. These are powerful antioxidants for hair growth. I added 10 drops of my grapeseed essential oil and I mixed thoroughly. I poured the hairspray into my applicator bottle. Now let me show you how to apply this properly on your hair. The first thing I did was to section my hair. The reason why I am sectioning it is for proper penetration of my hairspray. First, I applied on my edges and I massaged it. I also applied it on my scalp. When you apply it directly on the roots of your hair, it strengthens your hair. I also applied it on my hair strands in order for it to also strengthen my hair strands and also help reduce hair fall and hair loss. After spraying on my scalp and hair strand, I massaged it gently. When you massage gently, it helps blood circulation to flow, which helps in stimulation of hair growth. Note you have to massage your hair gently. After applying and massaging my hair and ensuring that the hairspray has penetrated into my hair, I made my hair into a twist. Then I went to the other parts of my hair where I've already sectioned my hair. I parted my hair and made sure I sprayed it on my scalp and the roots of my hair. If you don't have your hair loose like mine, maybe you have cornrow, all you have to do is to spray on your scalp and also spray on both sides of your cornrow so it can penetrate into your scalp and hair strands and also your hair. Then you massage thoroughly gently. I'm just going to show you how to do this properly on your hair. This hairspray is to be used twice in a week. We are not washing it out. After applying this amazing hairspray for massive hair growth and thickness, I massage the front of my hair, the middle of my hair, and also the back of my hair for blood circulation, which helps for hair growth. Then I made use of my plastic bag. The reason why I'm making use of my plastic bag is that is for it to penetrate faster into my hair through the heat, and I am not washing it out. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.